Like we live. What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Hey, salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. We got some exciting times right here, man. I truly believe Shibarium is about to roll out real soon. So I'm taking a look at the prices of bone, taking a look at the price of sheep, and we're preparing for this. So if you haven't got any bone, I think it would not be a bad idea just to start a small bag of it. Now, this is not financial advice, not telling you what to do. Don't go risking more than you're willing to lose. Only a very small amount should you be thinking about, because remember, bone will be the gas fee for a Shibarium. So, if you're looking to take some make some I would say some decent gains for a short term period, I'm speculating on bone to have a short term pump once we get this announcement of Shibarium being released. So markets have, pulled back, kind of adjusted to price in all the news that we've been getting. And I think we're kind of at a fair price right now. If you take a look at bone on the 4-hour chart, we are on a pullback right now, but we're forming a nice little shooting star candle, which lets us know that, when we form this type of doji candle or a hammer candle, that the price is likely wants to turn around at the bottom of a downtrend. So let me try to show y'all what this candle looks like. I flip this around. Okay. So when we see this candle right here, this candle at the bottom of a downtrend like this, especially on a time frame like the 4-hour, this signifies that a trend is likely to this downtrend is likely to turn around. Because if you notice, this candle opens here, the body of the candle opened here, closed here, but during this time frame, sellers pushed it all the way down here, pushed it, pushed it, pushed it, pushed it. Buyers pushed it all the way back up for it to close here, which shows that, sellers tried to push it down, but buyers ended up stronger during that fight. And that's a good sign. And also take a look at the volume here. We got volume picking up as well, showing us that people are likely to want to start, moving in and eventually start chasing some candles. So I just want to put y'all up on bone real quick. Come back to this video later on. You'll see it's at 43 cents right now. I'm just trying to keep y'all better informed. We got a class today. We didn't end up doing class yesterday. I had to handle a couple errands, but we will get back to it today. Salute to everybody that's been tuning into class. If you don't understand economic indicators and how you can use them to benefit yourself during times like this, then you definitely want to pull up to this class. Now, this class is for free for those that subscribe and turn on the notifications, but you have to try to catch it as soon as possible, because eventually these classes move to the members only section and eventually become a part of course material only. So definitely tap into these classes. We had our first 3 classes with a total of almost 3,000 students pull up to those classes. So y'all are showing me that y'all value this information. So we're going to keep that series going. If you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, make sure you pull up. This is the place to get educated, to take investing serious and make money. So salute, shout out to everybody pulling up in the stream right now. We got Retho Youve says Shibarium is going to skyrocket. She, Bone, Leash, and Ryoshi's vision. Shout out to Antonio Calderon. He said, sup, man, let's go. Shout out to Franny Crypto, always rocking with me. Shout out to her. She said, hi. Shout out to Niche J, said Bone will rock it. Shout out to Automatic Pressure. Said, yo. Shout out to Flamingo Pear. Said, finally catching a live. What's up? Everyone, hi, December. Shout out to you. Appreciate you pulling up. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Let's get those likes up, y'all. We got 40 people in here. We've been dropping some fire information. If you've been following along with the channel, you had the opportunity to get alerted to those dips and, do what you wanted to do at them. But I let y'all know that those were good buying opportunities. And a lot of people just made around 40% within a 72-hour period on their money for not being afraid of those dips. So if you're one of those investors that need, some type of a little guidance during this time, and it helps you to hear somebody keep you up to date with these things and kind of, let you know what you really need to worry about and the things that you should not be panicking about, then you definitely want to be subscribing so you can get this information. So let's see. Gonna check the price of SHIB real quick. Shout out to the Citadel Combat Arena. Said what's good, yo. Shout out to Blast. Shout out to Nate Frost. Said December, what store in Vegas did you get your SHIB drip? I made my own Shiba Inu merch. So we got a Shiba Inu merch store. I'm gonna get the merch. I gotta make some new designs, but I'm about to relaunch the merch store real soon. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have everything. So shout out to Philip Garcia. He said you're great. Appreciate you, bro, for rocking with us. Shout out to Jennifer Hadley. Says so. She predictions of $2 to $3 seem crazy. Do you think it has a shot at 1 cent? I definitely think we have a shot at 1 cent. This is why Shibarium is so important because there is supposedly going to be a burning mechanism built into Shibarium transactions, and now that would be absolutely amazing. We had a mock scenario put together by Queenie from Sheeb that basically showed us how we could potentially burn almost like 100 trillion sheep per year. Shout out to the Unstoppable, said I'm so ready for this knowledge. Shout out to Harlan for always pulling up. The Unstoppable said got 12 plus million sheep at a low price. Congratulations. Shout out to Toolbar 72, one of our channel members. Shout out to all the channel members for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for keeping this going. Uh, Shout out to Nate Frost. He said he already liked. Let's go. Make sure y'all hit that like. We got 50 people in here with only 28 likes. Y'all got to run those likes up, man. Shout out to everybody that's catching this later on as well. I know a lot of y'all be busy, but y'all come pull up later on and show love. So shout out to y'all. Uh, okay, salute. Shout out to everybody. If you need someone to add a team of designers, I am a graphic artist. Okay. Uh, Definitely send me some designs if you got something. We'll probably put something together. Uh, Flamingo said, "Oh yeah, I want a sheep hoodie, please." Okay, most definitely coming soon. Franny Crypto said, "Been out of it for a while, dealing with family stuff, but I'm back. Got to catch up with what's going on with sheep." Well, welcome back. It's a perfect time to come back to the markets while everything is down. It's another chance to do what we just did again last year. So Carlos said, what about Bone? I think Bone is a good play right now. It's at 43 cent. We got some bullish, momentum. It's looking like in the chart, some bullish indicators from our candlesticks at the bottom of a downtrend on the 4 hour, letting us know that we found support. But not only that, we got a good candle that is signaling bullish movement to come. So looking forward to that. Could it try to pull back a little bit just to try to, fake people out to scare people to make them think it's about to go down? Yes, it could potentially do that. But I think once we get Shibarium's release, this is the play here. This is the play. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So this is, before everybody else starts loading up. If everybody else starts loading up and catching this play before, you do. Now, this is not financial advice. Don't just go run and do this. Be wise about it. Only put an amount that you're only willing to lose, a very small amount, you know. But if everybody else starts catching on to this before you do, the candles will start moving and you'll be forced to buy in at a higher price. And then you'll be basically chasing the candles. So, I'm just trying to alert y'all to a play. I'm not saying this is 100%. You put all your money on it, YOLO. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying with the release of Shibarium to come, Bone is likely to start moving up. So be alert for that. So salute. Shout out to Tillery. Said, what's up, bro? Sheba Swap. Appreciate you for pulling up. Q Williams said, how late am I? We only been in the streaming for about 9 minutes right now. The Unstoppable said, with the second bear run, when do you think it'll go back up? I watch Bitcoin and go off of it since Bitcoin market cap is a huge portion of all cryptos. I think things are going to move, possibly down until the fall, because you got to remember, we still have the potential to raise interest rates throughout these next couple meetings that the Fed is supposed to have. Jerome Powell, the chairman, he informed us that we could potentially see a 75 basis point increase. Now, we just were supposed to, see a 0.5% increase, which that's what the market priced in. But he came with a little surprise and said that, it'll be 75 basis points. So that's what we're looking at possibly in July again at the next meeting, which could also push interest rates up, which will curb spending, which people will have less money to, invest and do other things with like that. So I'm expecting to, possibly see some little push-ups here and there, some little hiccups throughout the market, some moments where we see the price blip up for a second. But after that, I expect it to, by the fall, to possibly reach its lowest point that we will see before things completely start to turn back around. That's what I'm expecting. Now, could it happen sooner? Could it happen later? Yes, it can. I don't have a crystal ball right here. All I got, is these books, to try to make better informed decisions. But you know, even these books, all these books tell you nothing is 100% accurate. You know, so you can only try to make the best informed decision that you possibly can. So salute to everybody. Shout out to Enoch CUD1 said best info on YouTube. Definitely, man. If y'all ain't tuning in to those classes that we doing, you definitely should. That's free college level information that you are able to get right here for absolutely free. If you missed the first 3 classes that I held on economic indicators, you need to go back and check those out before they become members only content. Right now, you can access that content 100% free, and you definitely should. We had